it's Gina with WTI. Whenever I am eager to get out on the water in my paddleboard, I don't want to waste a second using the hand pump that comes with it. Instead, I reach for this rechargeable sup pump from Hydrohero. I generally ride boards that need 15 PSI, and this will actually go up to 20, but I love how fast it gets me up to my 15 so that I can get straight out onto the water. This is so awesome because once I turn it on, set the pressure, I can walk away. I don't have to monitor it. It will automatically turn off once it reaches the pressure that I set it at. Not only does it inflate, but it also deflates. So you just simply switch the hose to the deflation area and then turn it on, and it's gonna suck all the air out of your paddleboard, and then it makes it so much easier to fold up and put away. This is lightweight and it has a convenient handle to hold it with. The battery will last me pumping up to 15 PSI boards and deflating them, and there still will be a little bit extra left. And a total bonus, this can also be used as a power bank to charge something. You cannot go wrong with this Hydrohero pump. I definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.